Hi guys, welcome back to the Ian's Toy Channel, and today we have Crime-O, the little special guest. He'll be roaming around the room, so. Today I have this 12 pack, it's just me, I know. I'll soon have my friends. I can send stuff up with you. And today we're going to open this 12 pack. I hope we get something good. Open sesame. And it's done. First one we have is Snuggug. Little Snuggug. He's cutest. He's really cute. And we have the gingerbread house. We don't have yet. We have, and let's see what else do we got. The list. Let's see the list. Here's the bread. Is this pumpkin? What kind of bread is this? I think it's maybe banana bread. Banana bread. And here's the rainbow. See, look here. Is that? See, it has like a little rain logo on the side. So cute.
You're not in the camera.
See, it's adorable. So yeah, and then we have this little calculator. What's a little calculator? Yeah, here it is. It's great for adding. Let's see, 1 + 2 + 3. Yep. Perfect. And here we have is city fry. No, at the end of the video, I'll call out all these guys' names. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Here's our basket. Ooh, these are little peas. Wee peas. Yeah. Here's a telephone. I think it's called Chatter, I think. That's what the telephone's called. And here's Flappy Cat. And our last hat. And then soon, what we're going to be able to do, after these, first I want to name these guys before we open up the surprise Shopkins. I'm so excited.
Who's the person? Hey.
Thomas? No, you know how that. Sorry about that. Trying to eat everything. Yeah, we have a giant mess. Our air conditioning broke. We had to sleep downstairs. So I didn't want to open it. I must get something sharp and poking with a stick. Open my sesame. Open. It is old. Really, Mom? Yeah. She likes to show. It doesn't like me. You're gonna get one to open. It's like maybe it's an ultra rare one. It's just so open.
Scissors are good.
I know. I'm trying to find scissors.
So maybe come prepared with scissors might be a helpful
always come
hint.
prepared with scissors.
Don't break that pencil. That's not a thing to use. That's a very expensive pencil there.
Maybe I can try to get something.
Use that pen. Since we're videoing.
Yeah, who's gonna edit this out? Is it open yet? Wait, I found some scissors. Scissors! I found scissors in my door. It's a wedding cake. It is a rare wedding cake. It's a wedding cake. It's a wedding cake. Isn't this the kind of wedding cake? This is how big you want your wedding cake to be, right? I love it. I'll just eat the whole thing. Okay? They do not be able to eat. They do not eat them. By surprise. my food edible. Okay, out of this whole entire thing, I think we only got, let's see how many ultra rares we got. Out of 112 packs. So far, I see 1.
Wrap it up, wrap it up.
1, 2. Oh, look, it's so hot up here. Pretty much, I'm pretty sure we only got 2 ultra rares. Oh, let's we did better. Okay. Have a great day, and come back and watch BBN's Toy Channel.